This is our family home in the Catskill Mountains. It's originally built by Candace Wheeler, who's known as the mother of interior design. Candace Wheeler founded the Decorative Arts Society in Manhattan, which was a place for women to learn skills that were marketable and usable to become self-sufficient. She championed women and taught a lot of women how to make rugs out of old fabrics, how to reuse materials. She was also an avid artist and painter. She also worked on a lot of people's interiors, just like interior designers do today. Candace Wheeler originally came up the mountain with her brother looking for an escape and a getaway that was undeveloped and pure and natural. And the Catskills, there was really not a lot going on up here at the time. She came up and she found Onteora Mountain and fell in love with it, and they bought land right then and there and decided to build houses for themselves right next door to each other. There's a portrait of Mark Twain that is drawn on the plaster in the living room. It was painted by Dora Wheeler, Keith, Candace's daughter. So pennyroyal is a flower that grew abundantly on the mountaintop, and this cottage was named Pennyroyal after that. There was one big, great room, which was the living room. They also cooked in that room, they socialized in that room, and there was a small room off to the side, which we now use as our library, but originally that was the bedroom. So they were the two first rooms of Pennyroyal. The house remained in her family up until the late 1970s when my in-laws purchased it and used it as their family summer home. And then in 2006, we acquired it from them, and we decided that it was time to make sure that Pennyroyal lasts forever. So we did a big remodel and made it into a family home while paying homage to Candace Wheeler and everything that she created here. When we acquired the house in 2006, we added heating, we insulated, we ripped off the whole back of the house and rebuilt it with the same footprint and made sure that we could be warm and cozy here in the wintertime too. In 2017, we decided that we wanted to make a few more changes. So we opened up the configuration of the kitchen a little bit more to create a family room, and we raised up the ceiling in the master bedroom to give it a little bit more openness. We brought the ceiling into the roof line in this space and then added a V-groove board. It was really important to me to create a seamless transition between the old original part of Pennyroyal and the new part of the house. I didn't want the original rooms to feel like a museum. We chose arts and crafts style rug in the living room, which I found at a dealer in Paris. We chose a color palette that I thought would be in keeping with Candace Wheeler's arts and crafts colors. I used a lot of the existing artwork as a jumping off point for creating color schemes. Pennyroyal is really an excellent example of the American arts and crafts style. The materials and finishes and architectural elements of the house, such as the shingle style architecture, porches on several elevations, and the colors are very warm and welcoming, and it's very cozy and lovely to be here all year round now.